Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And what do we have today? Well, we have something that's probably the only cover you can get with this particular size bed. I'll show you in a second. By the way, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. We have great answers. So come on, John. By the way, John, our general manager, is behind the camera. And what do we have today? Well, we have the Pace Edwards by Leer, and it's called the Ultra Groove, and it's on a Ford F-450, if I recall, Super Duty, with the 8-foot bed. Now, if you're looking for an electric cover with an 8-foot bed, this is it. This is the only one doing the electric covers for the 8-foot beds at the companies I sell. And to be honest with you, I haven't seen anyone else do an electric cover for an 8-foot bed. Also, this is one of the few companies that does an 8-foot electric with a T-slot all the way down here. And that's not enough. Okay, so only one with 8-foot, only one with long T-slot, and it is the longest warranty. That's right. Most electric covers around 5 years. This has 7 years, so this is going to be the longest warranty for electric cover you can buy. And of course, we put a 1-year labor in what we do here. So you can see it's a nice, good-looking cover. It is a very low profile. This is in the matte black here, and it's got a little texture finish, and it really does match the truck very well. And this is a premium truck. So you want a premium cover, this is it. So let's go ahead and show you how this thing works here. I'm gonna go ahead and let's see here. Let's see this one, open the tailgate. All right, there we go. Okay, so of course it's electric. Now he also has a fifth wheel in here, and it does close, open and close with it. So let's go ahead and open it. Now these can't go too fast. The main reason is in case someone's hand's in the way or something. But if you notice, this guy does have a fifth wheel in here, and it clears it no problem whatsoever. So again, if you have this set up and you want to put this in here, you can do it here. Now this does have 4 drainage systems. It's got 2 in the front, 2 in the rear here. Let me go stick that in there a little further. There we go. And that's just a little bit better for water. I mean, they're not waterproof because, just because you bought a cover doesn't mean you now own a submarine. But these are good water resistant and weather resistant covers. With the 4 drain system, this thing's gonna be better. The seals along the side here, if you can see how nice the seals are on the side there, you can see it does a great job. Now this thing, like I said, has got a few things that are unique and different for this. For example, the hardware that attaches to it, they got a patent on it. No one else is using this setup, and it does work really well. It does take a few minutes to figure out how to go in here. Now speaking of installation, now, of course, we sell this and we ship it all over the country. I still get people today saying, well, I live in another state, you can't help me. I go, dude, this is a modern day that maybe 20 years ago, but nowadays we ship these things everywhere. We ship into Hawaii, California. California, which is the furthest from my store, is one of my best customers. So we ship these everywhere. Of course, even Puerto Rico and some things to Canada. Canada can be a little tricky to get stuff into. We can do some things with Canada. But coming to installation, this one can be a little trickier than some of the other ones. Even the wiring is actually not too bad. It's a pretty straightforward wiring setup. I find putting the rails onto the canister a little tricky, so this here might take you a little longer to do, so keep that in mind. Now the nice thing, if you buy it from us, we'll be glad to go over all that with you, and we can help you. I know you get the directions, like what do I do here, what do I do here? Sometimes just pick up the phone and call us. If you bought from us. If you want to go buy some guy from Amazon, good luck on that. Now, again, another thing I like here, if you notice, I just pushed a button and it's going to close on its own. Why is that convenient? Well, let's say you're loading or unloading. The cover is doing its own thing. You can do whatever you like. Now, the last customer I sold this to, he really liked it because he actually worked, he was in the military and had to go to a base all the time. And every time he would pull up, they had to check his bed, and he just sat there, pushed the button, open and close. He did that every single day for years. So that says a lot about the quality of this product. We have done a lot of the Pace Edwards here, and I think they're one of the better looking covers. I mean, I don't sell as many as I'd like, but it has nothing to do with the quality or the function of the product. I think they're just not as well known as maybe some of the other products we sell. But as you know, we're kind of known for electric covers and electric step bars. Anything that's kind of top of the line, we're kind of known for. And this is a good top of the line product. Again, you can open it, and if I want to, I can stop it anywhere. I know sometimes they have to go all the way open, close. No, this one, you can stop it anywhere along the track. So again, let's say he's got that fifth wheel and he maybe doesn't want it to go all the way, so he can say, well, I want to stop it right after the fifth wheel, So you got all the options with that. Again, it's a nice cover. It looks good. It works good. 7-year factory warranty. Man, you can't go wrong with that. I like it. It looks good. Like I said, let me close it up here. Let that close it on its own here. And don't forget, I can ship this anywhere in the country. So you don't live here in Florida, we got you covered. Looks great. And by the way, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is a review of the Ultra Groove. I'm leaving the bloopers. I make mistakes all the time. Ultra Groove Electric on a Ford F-150. And this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Thank you.